Hello, today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to install your Lexmark printer drivers. First of all, if you just go onto Google and search Lexmark drivers and down to the drivers and downloads page, simply enter the model number of the printer that you want, which today we're doing the 942. Now what you'll see here is there's a recommended driver, but it's actually quite a heavy package. So it's got drivers, print and scan drivers, and a number of other things. So first of all, I'll show you what this looks like. So if we download that driver package and run that, you will see what I mean. So installation process is very easy for first timers and people who don't have much experience. Click on the install now, press start, and accept this. And we're just going to reinstall this one over the top. So you can select Wi-Fi or into Ethernet, which most of them will be. It will go through and search and find the printers on your network that are related. So this time I'm going to choose this one here. Next, so it will install the drivers for you. Okay, so that was a very simple install, but what you will also notice is that it does take quite a little bit of time. And the reason is because it's installing a lot of other kind of unnecessary stuff. So it's very easy to do, but you end up with all these other bits and pieces, fax drivers, scanner drivers, network drive, all these different drivers that most people don't need. So if you're like me and you don't want all the extra stuff, what you want to do is in the results here, you can click on additional downloads and then go down to the second page and you'll see a PCL XL driver. So it's the G2 driver, but it's the PCL XL driver, and you can see it's only 32 megs here instead of 146. And this will download just the printer driver, which will make it much easier for you to deploy. It'll only install the printer driver itself rather than all the other bits and pieces, which might clog up your machine or just generally harder to deploy out to larger corporations. So I'd always advise to do it this way if you do know what you're doing, because you're going to have to do it manually, entering the IP address and everything else, rather than the installation package going out there and finding all this information for you, but as well as installing a number of other things which just aren't necessary. Hopefully that helps.